Okay, I'm doing a video this afternoon of my rough idle on my '05 BMW 645 Ci e63. Um, it's kind of a particularly warm afternoon, so usually this rough idle happens when it's colder, say 65 degrees or less outside. So I usually get it pretty consistently in the fall, but car's been sitting overnight, well into the afternoon. So I'm going to crank it up and see if we get the rough idle.
This weekend.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the AC just so you can hear the engine a little bit better. Okay, got the check engine light. The camera's even shaking from it running a little rough. It's not quite as bad as when it's colder outside, but if you watch the tach, it may stutter just a little bit. Yeah, this isn't as bad as it usually is. Probably because the warmer air outside. Just going to let it run for a minute here. Rev it just a little bit to see if there's any difference in the throttle response. Yeah, but noticeably shaking the... Okay, now we got another check engine light, and it's misfiring pretty bad now. And it's a blinking service engine light, which is usually worse than just the norm. Looks like the engine's trying to settle down. Okay, now you've got a real good view of what happens when it's colder. Yeah. Gotta figure this one out.